In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce CRM. First, let's get you comfortable with the basics. Open your Salesforce URL and log in. Once you're in, look for the app launcher, the small grid icon in the top corner. This is your doorway to different areas of Salesforce, like sales, service, contacts, and reports. Think of it as a menu that helps you jump straight to what you need. As you click around, you'll notice how everything is organized and accessible from one place. That's the power of Salesforce. It stores your customer information centrally, so you're not chasing spreadsheets or piecing together scattered notes. Your team can see the same records, work from the same data, and keep everything up to date. Now, let's talk about adding and managing customer records. In Salesforce, information is grouped into objects. These are simply types of records. One of the most important objects is leads. A lead is a person or company you think might become a customer, but who hasn't been qualified yet. When you're ready to capture a new prospect, go to Leads, then select New. Fill in the key details you have, like the person's name, company, and how to reach them. Save the record so it becomes part of your database. As you work with leads, jot down notes and keep the information accurate. This consistency helps everyone on your team understand the history and next steps. When a lead is ready, meaning you've confirmed there's genuine interest and potential, you'll convert it. Conversion is Salesforce's way of moving a prospect into your main customer records. During conversion, Salesforce creates or links three things for you: a contact, which is the person, an account, which represents the company or organization, and an opportunity, which tracks the potential deal. This keeps your pipeline organized and makes it easier to follow progress without retyping information. If a matching account already exists, you can link to it rather than creating a duplicate, helping maintain a clean database. A few tips as you go. Enter only reliable information and review before saving. Consistency in names and details prevents duplicates, and keep notes concise and useful so others can jump in if needed. With just logging in, exploring via the app launcher, adding leads, and converting qualified prospects, you're already using Salesforce the right way: centralized, clear, and collaborative. That's it for today. Practice these fundamentals, and you'll quickly feel at home in Salesforce CRM.